everyone, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jessica and I'm the Director of Children's Services here at the Spartanburg County Public Library. Today I'm here to tell you a little bit about our winter pick-me-up kits. These are available at all of our 10 library locations, including our most recently opened Inman Library. They'll be available starting on December 19th and are first come, first served. Well, inside these boxes are pretty cool activities that hopefully will keep you busy during the winter holiday. We have DIY slap bracelets, instant snow, a snowman pop, snowflake necklace, and perler bead ornaments to make today. So feel free to join me and follow along as we make these together. Okay, so I've got my snow kit right here. I also am going to need a couple different things. As you can see on the instructions on the Ziploc bag, this is called Miracle Snow, and all you have to do is add 4 ounces of water. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's do it. So I've got my container, my bowl, and my spoon just to mix it up a little bit. Got my water, I measured it out. It's 4 ounces right here. All right, let's go ahead and pour our snow in. We've taped it on the top just in case you have little siblings who might get curious. So there's added security there. There we go. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting to do it ever since we assembled these kits. Okay. So first you pour in all the Miracle Snow. Let's set that to the side. And grab your water. You could do it all at once, but I would recommend doing it gradually so then you can wash it as it grows. Wow, check it out. This is so cool. It's creating snow right in front of our eyes. Yeah, that definitely looks like snow. I'm from Indiana, I should know, right? All right, let's pour some more. Let's see how much more snow we can make out of this. Oh, this is perfect. Now, if you want to make your snow feel cool, you could put your water in the refrigerator for a little bit and then pour it in, and it'll feel really cold. Wonder if we can make a snowball out of this. We're gonna find out. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I want to grab my son's Pokemon characters and just play in the snow with them and create little snow character scenes. Ah, so fun! Okay. Let's see. I think maybe just a little bit less than 4 ounces will make for a good enough amount of instant snow. But you can always add a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna put my spoon to my side and really touch it. And maybe make a little mini snowball. Okay, here we go. Ah, this is so cool. It feels just like snow, guys. And you can play with it all day. Oh, this is awesome. Cool. Oh, I love it. Snow's falling down everywhere. It has this really great texture. Not like slime, but still kind of jelly feeling. Very cool. Yep, just made snow inside the house at home, guys. Good job. This is a kind of a messy activity, parents, but it's well worth it because it'll keep y'all busy for at least an hour. I had the idea of maybe reusing my pizza box and filling it with a foil liner. I might show it at the end of the video. So putting a foil liner on it and then dumping the snow in there and creating like little scenes with farm animals. I thought that would be really cute. So stay tuned until the end of the video and you'll be able to see it in action. All right, here's our snow, everybody. Great job. Now, if you want to store it and keep it for later, I would say probably try and put it back in the Ziploc bag so it stays really fresh. And that way you can play with it all holiday long. All right, good job everyone. All right, be sure to send us some pictures on Instagram if this is something that you've made. Okay, we're on to our next activity. We've got 2 more activities to make. Now, I would recommend spreading it out throughout the week. So maybe making it a special activity every day. Or you could just do what I'm doing and do it all in one day and enjoy it for the entire week. But it's up to you, however you choose to do it. So I'm gonna set my snow aside, maybe clean up a little bit, and then I'll be right back with our next activity. I think we're gonna make the ornament next. All right, here we go.